3, 2, 1.
Are you ready?
Good day, Kaibanatics! So welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's vlog, Kaibanatics, we are going to share to you on how you're going to produce a opaline cremino. So to be able to produce this mutation, you must have a pair of par blue opaline split ino cock, cross it to blue opaline split ino hen. So another pair of pairing, we have a par blue split opaline split ino cock, cross to albino hen. Then we have another possible pairing. So we have a green opaline split ino split par blue cock, cross it to par blue opa split ino hen. So we have also another pairing. We have a green split par blue split ino split opa cock, cross it to green opaline split ino split par blue hen. So we have also a albino split opa cock, cross it to par blue opa split ino hen. We have also a Lutino split par blue split opaline cock, cross it to cremino hen. So those are the pairing examples that you will be needing to be able to produce opaline cremino project. So Kaibanatics, hope you've learned something from this vlog, and if you have some questions and clarification, please comment down below. So before we end this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Brian Ibanatics. And before I forgot, shout out to Lomutes TV. Thanks for tuning in, bro. Okay guys, see you on to my next vlog. Thanks for watching, Ibanatics. Hope you enjoyed this video. Breathe lang ng breathe.